In this video, let's understand how to make this cool and awesome thermometer chart in Power BI. This is a fully interactive thermometer chart. So for example, right now I'm seeing outpatient percentage as 74% for Woodrow Wilson, one of our doctors. But if I select a different doctor, you can see that the thermometer adjusts. This is really simple to make and it enhances your reports and dashboards a lot. So let's build it from scratch. First up, I'm going to add a new page to my report and we'll construct our thermometer from scratch here. What you need for your thermometer chart is some sort of a measure that gives you a percentage. So for example, here I have got OP percentage. This is a measure in my model that tells me how many outpatients we have as against overall patient count. Once you have a percentage value that usually returns any value from 1 to 100%, you would want to calculate the inverse of this as well. That is whatever is the balance. So I have calculated an opposite of this, which is inpatient percentage. And this is nothing but 1 minus OP percentage. It is important to remember that both of these numbers should add up to 100% all the time. So once you have both of these, create either a 100% stacked bar chart or a column chart. Use the bar chart if you want your thermometer to be horizontally oriented like this, and column chart if you want your thermometer to be vertical. Let's make a column chart, and in this column chart, in the y-axis, add both of your percentage measures. So we're going to start with OP percentage and add IP percentage. When you put two measures into 100% stacked chart, it's going to basically give you both of them, and the whole thing adds up to 100% anyway. So here is my chart. The next thing to do is take out all of these distracting things like your axis labels, titles, and legends and whatnot. So I'm going to select this graph and go to Format ribbon. And from here, let's turn off the title, legend, and go to x-axis, turn that off, go to y-axis and turn that off. And if your axis titles are on, make sure you turn them off as well. If there is any grid lines or anything else, you would want to turn them off as well. So now that our thermometer skeleton is ready, you can see both parts. Let's color these. For example, I want to emphasize the OP percentage. So I'm going to color this in a bright red color or orange color, and this one in a dull shade of the same color. So I'm going to select this graph once again, and from the format panel, go to columns and select each of the individual series. If it is set to all, just select OP percentage and set these colors. Let's go with dark orange for this. And for inpatient, I'm going to go with dull orange, but set this to be 60% transparent. So this is how that looks. We'll select the chart once again and turn off any background on it. For this, again, you can go into the format ribbon, expand, and make sure you turn off the background as well as any visual borders. So essentially, you will end up with the skeleton for the thermometer. Next up, we need some sort of a bubble here. I'm going to go into insert and select a oval shape and add that. I think due to the Power BI theme that I'm using, whatever I add, I can't see the shape. So I'm going to tidy this up quickly. Select this one and turn off the background and visual border on it and enable the fill color. So here is my oval. I'm gonna size this so that it looks like a proper circle and center align that here. Next up, I'm gonna select this and fill it with the same color as my thermometer color. So it's the same color like that. Already our thermometer is ready and it is visualizing the value. But we do need a label inside this bulb so that we can see what percentage it is. So for this, we are going to add a card and move the card into the center. And in this card, visualize the OP percentage. So this is going to show up something like that. Again, we need to tidy this up. I'm going to turn off the border and go into the cards and take out all of these things and go into the callout and take out the label image, and the value I'm going to center align that. Next, I'm going to make sure that there is no background. I think the background is coming in from here. And once you tidy this up, you will get something like this. If you want, you can adjust the percentage points so that it just says 68%. Let me just do that quickly. To adjust the percentage points in a card visual, you can select the visual. You can go into the properties area of the format pane, and from here, data format, select the measure and set the formatting to percentage, and just adjust this down to 0 decimal points. And that's it. Our thermometer is ready. If you want, you can add another shape in the background to kind of create a container for the thermometer like I have shown you here. And if you have got any other visuals, so for example, here I have got a visual by patients by doctor, so I can see how many patients each doctor has seen in that month. And if I select a specific doctor, because of the interactions, you will see this kick in. While this thermometer chart works, it is actually just three things. We have this 100% stacked column chart, we have this card visual that says the percentage, and then there is an oval shape behind. Sometimes it can be a hassle to move them around when you have three different shapes like this. So here is a pro trick. Go to the view ribbon and enable the selection panel. And from this selection panel, using Ctrl or Shift, select all the three shapes. Once you grab them, right click and then set a group around that. This will create a grouped object so that when you are moving these things around, you can easily move without messing up the alignment of the thermometer. So that's it. I hope you liked this particular one. If so, give this video a like and share it with some of your friends. I'll catch you again in another video. Bye.